Hello and welcome to this tutorial over how I painted the arcane energy flowing through this prism from Warhammer Age of Sigmar Night Vault Arcane Hazards. Before I begin, please like this video and subscribe for more. My social media links are down below as well. I used an airbrush for all of this, but you can, of course, do a similar effect with a brush. Here's what you'll need. Your miniature Prime Black, some Flow Aid, although water can work too, some black and white ink, and make sure you shake those up, and our secret ingredient, Saran Wrap. Oh, and the colors that you want to paint the energy. I use Sotek Green and P3's Arcane Blue. Starting off, apply some Flow Aid to the surface. Try to wipe off the areas where you don't want this effect, but you'll need to work fast. Next, apply some white ink to the wet surface. You'll want to apply it pretty heavy here. Crumple up your Saran Wrap a little bit and rock it back and forth as shown here, then peel it off. If you're not happy with the result, spray the ink with something like Simple Green and gently scrub it off with a toothbrush and repeat this process. If you have any air bubbles on the surface, you can quickly pop them with a grill lighter. Now this part is optional, but I wanted the tip of the prism to glow brightest, so I sprayed some white ink towards the tip and away from the base as shown here. I sprayed my darker color, Sotek Green, at the base and let it dry. After that, I sprayed Arcane Blue, overlapping the Sotek Green slightly, but mostly spraying at the middle. Finally, spray some black ink at the base, covering up some of the bottom color. That's it for the energy effect. Now just paint the rest of your mini and you're done. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe for more, and be sure to follow me on my social media listed in the description below. A huge thank you goes out to my patrons, Lenore, Andy, Samantha, and Hugh. As always, take care and happy painting.